day, the whole day.
No, they're playing.
Anyways, I figured she's gonna get hungry and she's gonna start eating.
Oh, they're playing like crazy.
That's who's gonna help you.
I am.
Lewis and Molly.
Yeah.
Ah.
Come here. Lewis. Lewis, come here. Lewis.
Lewis, look. Molly.
Lewis.
Lewis. Molly.
Did you take carpets away?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I had a white carpet here. That was furry and you came on.
I think it's the color thing. They have trouble. Everything they see that's the same color as the pads.
Come here. Molly.
Tally, you getting
There's no memory left. And so I tried to erase some stuff.
He's got a
Did
video.
you
It's
speak
going
to
crazy.
Kirsty?
No, I spoke to
Because
a
she-
friend of hers.
Yeah, because she knew that you had one. And then I
Yeah.
met at the park who has two of them.
Because I gave her friend, Francie, the name of the breeder, and Francie said she gave it to Jackie. Kirsty.
She dropped by my house.
To come.
She saw me walking the dog this week, I think on Monday. She saw me, she walked.
Oh, look,
She
you
said,
want
"What kind of
Lewis.
dog is
Lewis.
that?" I said, "It's a Havanese." She said, "Oh my God, that's the dog that I want."
So how did she know that because she had
She had hers.
Oh my
She
God.
had, I don't know, maybe.
They're
I'm the
play
one who
fighting
told
like
her. I
crazy.
said- She said, "How did you find out about this breeder?"
Kaylee,
So
the
I
video has to
mentioned
be less
you.
than 10 minutes.
And then maybe that's how she knew.
Yeah.
I said, "Do you know who she is?" She says, "Yes." So I don't think,
How many
I don't think
minutes
she
is it?
knew until I told her, and then she came by with the dogs, but she's already been in touch with Lauren.
How many minutes
She's
is
a
it?
beautiful dog having a litter in June.
How many, Kaylee?
I don't know. I don't want to tell you.
Talking about the June list?
How many?
Doing
June
this.
and August.